Hi, today's lesson is called What is Energy? This is a fourth grade lesson. The objective of this lesson is to differentiate among forms of energy, including mechanical, sound, electrical, light, and thermal. Now let us go over the materials needed for this class. We will be taking notes. Please have a pencil or pen to write with and a notebook to take notes during class. Please be in a place you can focus. It's best to be somewhere without distractions. Here's an overview of our day. First, we will watch a brain pop video. Then we will write notes on energy. There will be a play pause it presentation to guide us deeper into the forms of energy. I've included some formal assessment to check your understanding of the different forms of energy. Last is the exit ticket. As we go through this lesson, I want to know one thing you saw use energy. Let's get started. Wow, that was a wonderful video with a lot of energy. Next, let us write our notes for the day. Please label today's date on the top right corner of your journal. Make sure you are on the next page in your journal. Good job on writing your notes. We will come back to this later and continue our notes from here in the next lesson. Next, we will walk through a play pause it presentation to extend our knowledge further. Thanks for your participation in the play pause it, and your input helps me know that you are following along. On the next slide, I want you to label the correct form of energy with the picture. Here are the directions. For each image, label the form of energy that is shown. Use the terms in the word bank to help you identify the different forms of energy. Let us do the first together. What do you see? Yes, it is a light bulb. What form of energy is it? Yes, light energy. Please complete the rest on your own, and it is okay if you do not know. Give it your best try. Last will be your exit ticket. For your exit slip, what is one thing that you saw today as an example of energy, and what form did it use? Here is an example. I saw a light. It is light energy because when I am in a dark room, I can turn on the light to see where I am going. Now it's your turn. Let's look at what I want you to do for work. You will complete 2 must-dos on energy found on Blend. The first will involve reading a short article and responding to it. The second task is an Engage Your Brain activity. Please use the sentence forms here if you like. Thanks for joining today's class about energy. You were focused and showed me that you know a lot about energy. In the next class, we will keep learning about the different forms of energy. See you next time.